Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make apple pie cake. This delightful dessert offers the best of both worlds, blending the comforting flavors of a classic apple pie with the tender texture of a moist cake. We'll explore each step, from preparing the spiced apple filling to baking the perfect cake, ensuring a delicious treat for any occasion. Get ready to create a truly memorable dessert that will impress your friends and family. First, let's focus on the heart of our dessert, the apple filling. Choosing the right apples is key. Firm, tart varieties like Granny Smith or Honeycrisp work wonderfully. You'll need about 6 medium apples, peeled, cored, and thinly sliced. Mix these with 1/2 cup of sugar and 2 teaspoons of cinnamon, then cook gently on the stovetop until they just begin to soften. This step ensures a flavorful and tender apple layer. Next, we'll prepare the cake batter and assemble our masterpiece. You can use your favorite vanilla or spice cake recipe, ensuring it's moist and flavorful. Pour approximately 2/3 of the batter into a greased 9-inch springform pan. Carefully spread the cooled apple filling evenly over this first layer of cake. Finally, top with the remaining 1/3 of the cake batter, or for extra texture, add a delicious crumble topping. Now for the grand finale, baking and serving. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and bake the cake for approximately 1 hour. To check for doneness, insert a toothpick into the cake portion. It should come out clean. Let the cake cool completely on a wire rack before attempting to slice it. Serve warm or at room temperature, perhaps with a dusting of powdered sugar or a generous dollop of whipped cream.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.